I've never seen a dog with those legs ever before. She was living next to a busy road. I thought something has happened to her. I had a cage with me. Luckily, I could catch her.
Easily, it's okay. And you go to the vet now. We will help you, yeah?
Chloe was a very, very scared dog.
Yeah. It's okay.
What I was most worried about, of course, were those hind legs. After the x-rays, it turned out that this is a birth defect that cannot be fixed.
Okay.
But I also did some research and it said they could be fine. She'll just need a little bit more care than other dogs, which I was more than okay with.
Mm.
She was always nervous around humans. But with time, it turned out when she got stronger, with good food and some exercise, we realized that she actually overcomes all kinds of obstacles.
Chloe. Saturday,
Whenever a dog is fully recovered, we would take him to the beach.
Chloe,
confused?
after 6 months? More than 6 months?
If she cannot overcome an obstacle, she would just wait and look at us and it's like, hey, help me. She knows we're coming, we're there to help. With Chloe, we were quite hesitant because she is so skittish.
First time for Chloe at the beach, finally.
We were not sure if Chloe would trust us or if she would even trust herself. But we soon realized that she's not going anywhere. She would trust us at the beach a lot more than she would at home. Because of her disability, we decided that she would not be able to deal with a new home, that this would be rather traumatizing for her. And that's why we decided that we are going to adopt her.
Good girl, Chloe.
Sometimes I feel like she doesn't even know she's disabled.
Good girl.
The physical progress she has made since the beginning is incredible. Some days are better than others.
It's okay.
Some days she's quite cuddly.
Teddy up there. Hero, look at that cute face.
But I know she's exactly where she was meant to be.
Is that a good belly scratch? Huh? It's good to see you relaxed, Chloe.